Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we have another unboxing from the wonderful Painting with Dots. So let's get inside. I've already trimmed around the edges but I love this packaging so much. I love the fact that it's all themed and it's recyclable and reusable. I will wax lyrical about it. Oh. So you may find a few 310s in this kit, which I assume is because in my custom kit that I had from them, I was kind of excited that there were no 310s. So yeah, that's not the case with this one. So in here we get our little leaflet that tells us what we get, gives us a little bit of information. Always nice to have. I always say any kit that comes with instructions plus lovely packaging would make a brilliant gift. So, toolkit and a little business card as usual. Really nice branding, love it. So yeah, they've got Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the usuals. You can go check them out. Please do. For our toolkit, we have got a handful of baggies. We've got the larger than the small green boat, but with the open end for pouring. We have a standard pink pen with single placer. We have a plastic tipped single placer. I really like these. They're really good, especially for ABs, because the plastic tips won't scratch off any of the coatings. We've got the bent end tweezers, useful for if you place the drill in the wrong spot and you want to move it, particularly on double-sided canvases where you can't sort of scooch the drill across as easily as you can with some of the others. And we've got lovely blue wax, which, yeah, so we've got a single plate of blue wax in little branded caddy, which is lovely. So really nice. So what else do we have? We've got our drills and our canvas. So I'm gonna undo this. Oh, and completely forgot, I opted for with frame. So there are many nice things about this company, but particularly because so often it's difficult to find frames that fit our diamond paintings. This is one of my favourite things. Is that these come, you can order them without if you don't want them, but they come with these lovely pine magnetic poster hangers, which are incredibly strong and allow you to hang up your picture. So it's really nice that it comes with that. As I say, if you want your picture a little bit cheaper, you can order it without a frame. So let's have a look. For all of you like myself that were young in the 80s, this is something you should recognise. Now, as usual, I'm going to very slowly flatten this out, because what we don't want to do is put too much stress on the canvas when it's been rolled up, because then we're going to end up with rivers and we don't want that. But as you can see, this is a lovely fabricy canvas with absolutely nothing wrong with it. We want to keep it that way. So if are we up the right way? We are up the right way now. So I'm going to start at this corner, start peeling back. I've got a little bit, there was a small crease here in the top cover, and you can see that has, I'll bring it down a bit. There is a little bit of a river there in the glue. It won't have affected the canvas at all, and rivers can be fixed. It's not the end of the world. So we're looking at big 80s hair, fabulous eyebrows, and a huge collar. There we go, we've got the Goblin King from Labyrinth. So yes, there's going to be a lot of 310 because that is what we've got in his jacket. Oh, so cool. I love, I've said before, I really like the graphic quality of these images. They allow you to display your fandom without just sticking a poster on the wall. I really like it. It's gonna be fun times with a multiplacer, I think, for me. There's a lot of multiplacer opportunities in his face and his jacket. However, the hair and the background are using more than one colour. So I'm just going to bring you back down again so you can have a look at the symbols. It's incredibly clear. We do have the drill circles, but they are in a sort of pale grey, I suppose, colour for where the lighter shades are. Okay, so I'm going to get this covered back up now. Keep it all nice and protected. So one thing that always amazes me about we get these very simple graphic images, and then you look at the amount of colours that are in there. You're like, surely not the money. To look at it in the thumbnail, you're like, oh, 15 colours maybe? No. So, talking of colours, let's have a look at our drills. They always come gorgeously packaged in tissue. Everything is just so sweet and so lovely. Now, crinkle, crinkle. Okay, so bear with me. I will time lapse this bit because it's super boring to watch while I sort them all out, make sure they're all here. Okay? Okay, so really lovely, good quality drills, great consistency, didn't spot any problems. Even with this much 310, it keeps going. Even with all of this, I didn't spot any trash. I was very surprised. Pleasantly surprised. Really lovely. So, loads of colours. Super simple graphic image. The printed image of the canvas is 30 by 40. Comes with a magnetic frame. Yeah, what's not to like? It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me just check on the price for you. Okay, so we've got David Bowie as Jareth, King of the Goblins, and without a frame, $23.99. So you get everything except the frame. And if you want the frame, then the price is merely $26.99. So yeah, really reasonable, I think, for what you're getting. Again, licensed image, you know, the artist is being compensated. You're getting something that you can't just get from anywhere. As far as I know, and I'm sure somebody in the comments will correct me if I'm wrong, this artist is only licensed to Painting with Dots. So I would say you go get some of the artwork, enjoy, take some time to relax, a little bit of mindfulness, complete one of these lovely images and display it in your home. I will obviously, as I work on this, I will share some progress shots on Instagram. I will also do a post review once I'm complete, and that will be posted on here. I will add this video to my Painting with Dots playlist, so if you want to check out their other canvases that I have unboxed and worked on, then you can do that. But yeah, I'm excited to get started with this one. I love Labyrinth, and so any way that I can be nerdy about it is absolutely grand as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to leave this one here. Please do check out their website. I will put all the details down in the description. If you've enjoyed this unboxing, please consider leaving a like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.